10 new Canva features to boost productivity. Photoshop is time-consuming. Canva's AI features are time-saving. 10 new Canva features to boost productivity. 1. Make a website in 4 steps. Pick a template and customize it. Click on Publish as website. Get a free or paid domain name. Enjoy your awesome site. 2. Create outline for your photos. Add a photo with no background. Shadows, glow controls, and put. Intensity equals 100. Blur equals 0. Size equals as per your needs. 3. Magic eraser. Magic eraser lets you erase anything from your pictures. Remove people, objects, or anything else with a simple brush stroke. 4. Canva presentations. Create, share, inspire with Canva presentations. Make your presentations stand out with stunning visuals that engage your audience and bring your ideas to life. Five. Magic Write in Canva Docs. Write faster and easier with Magic Write in Canva Docs. Just give it a prompt and let it generate lists, captions, ideas, and more for you in seconds. 6. Better text to image. Turn your text into stunning images with text to image. Just type a description and see how text to image, Canva's AI image generator, creates amazing images for you. 7. Magic Design. Create amazing templates from any image with Magic Design. Magic Design selects the best fonts, images, graphics, and styles to match your image and make your design look awesome. 8. Draw, the ultimate sketching tool by Canva. Express yourself with Draw, Canva's free and fun drawing tool. With Draw, you can create your own drawings and graphics and add them to your designs, making them unique and original. Nine. Canva's Color Palette Generator. Visit http://canva.com/colors and discover the perfect colors for your designs. You can generate colors from photos, pick from presets, or create your own custom palettes. 10. Translate by Canva. Canva's online translator for your designs. Communicate with global teams, customers, and audiences without any language barriers.